Look at this number grid. If you need to get from the top left to the bottom right for the lowest possible score, taking the immediate discount often forces you into a massive penalty later on. This is the greedy trap. Attempting to guess the optimal route from start to finish all at once is computationally impossible for large grids. A brute force approach creates an explosion of branching paths that quickly overwhelms your memory. Dynamic programming solves this by breaking the journey down. We solve and permanently lock in the best possible score for one single cell at a time. To maintain structure, we define specific movement rules. For this problem, you can only move right or move down. This restriction allows us to define our state. Each cell stores the absolute minimum cost required to reach that specific coordinate from the start. Systematic optimization requires moving away from short-term guessing. Instead, we lock in guaranteed minimums at every incremental step. Before calculating inner paths, we secure the outer boundaries. In the top row, you can only enter from the left, so we sequentially sum the costs. The left column is strictly top to bottom, entering only from above. Separate loops initialize these fixed edges. These accumulated costs are non-negotiable. Because the movement rules offer no alternative route to these specific squares, these values are fixed. We call these restricted edges our base cases. Every grid algorithm must anchor itself on these boundaries, where only one path is possible. With the edges secure, we shift to the inner cells, the intersection points where path options finally collide. This brings us to the transition function. Any inner cell has only two possible entries, from the neighbor above or the neighbor to the left. To find the minimum path sum, we compare the two incoming neighbor values, select the smaller number, and add it to the current cell's base toll. At coordinate 2, 2, the top neighbor is 8, the left is 5, and the base toll is 3. 5 is the minimum, so we add 3 to lock in 8. Nested loops then apply this choice row by row, automatically filling the matrix. This automated iteration of a single localized choice resolves the complexity of the entire grid. When the iteration reaches the bottom right cell, its accumulated value is the absolute minimum cost for the grid. We can find the physical route by tracing backward from this final cell to the origin, following the path of minimum values previously selected. Apply this framework to any grid problem. Step 1. Define what your single cell state represents. Step 2. Establish base cases along strictly restricted edges. Step 3. Define the transition function comparing incoming neighbors. And Step 4. Iteratively sweep the matrix. By anchoring logic to known values and building one step at a time, dynamic programming processes an exponential maze into a sequence of verified calculations.